Good morning, everyone. I'm Vishnu Ektab, and in front of all of you, I'm presenting the Business Standard newspaper headline. So, first of all, Nifty Sensex scale fresh record high. Next, retail inflation may ease soon, has Finmin. Next, post-COVID recovery in travel, air travel stalls. Next, Bisleri deal may be biggest in FMCG space. Next, urban jobless rate drops for fifth quarter to 7.2% survey. Next, cash strapped states pull out of FBM FBY government. Next, Imran Khan better Asim Munir is Pakistan's new chief army. Next, government fixes rupees 7,000 crore indicative value for the Ashok hotel. Then we comes to page number 2 in that China's tension with West to good chance for India. Installation CEO. Next, government fixes initiative value of rupees 7,409 for the Ashok. Next, Amazon to phase out education tech platform. Next, Adani offers open 16.54% of NDTV shares tender by day 3. Next, Hotel Biz to rises 23% in financial year 22 over pre-COVID period. CRISIL. Next, PVR plans to come up with 5 new superplexes. Next, Tata's Bisleri buyout may be biggest in India FMCG space. Next, Piramal Zurich likely to go solo for RGIC bid. Orchid Pharma marks change of fortune as it commercializes molecule. Then we comes to page number 3 in that clashes in China may boost India's iPhone export. India could account for up to 20% of Apple global production capacity by financial year 26. Next, Kia profit downs 25% in financial year 2022 has tax outgo slams the brakes. Next, Trident Reality to invest rupees 3,000 crore over 7 to 8 year in Haryana. Then we comes to page number 4 in that SBI may rises rupees 10,000 crore via infra bond. Next, PM Punjab gets center's approval to divest entire stake in UTI AMC. Next, Vaishnav counter criticism across purposed DPDP bill. Next, ICICI to buy 10% in 9 MTPA refinery JV of IOCL and CPCL. Next, ISRO conducts 2000 consecutive launches of RH-200 sounding rocket. Next, cash strapped states pulled out of PMFBY government. Next, urban jobless rate drops for fifth quarter to 7.2% NSO. Unemployment rates of men and women 6.6% and 9.4% respectively. Next, recession not likely in APAC in 23 Moody's. Next, exporters urge Center for Fiscal Initiatives lower custom duty. Next, India GCC grouping expects to revive talk on free trade. Then we then we comes to page number 7 in that CAD pegged at 3 to 3.2% of GDP in financial year 23. CEA India's annual import cover comfortable. IMF does not consider external sector to be an zone of vulnerability. Next, monetary policy steering at info concentrate Patra. Next, removal of cap insurers to get flexibility to allocate commissions. Next, we should see core inflation dipping, says Ashmia Goval. Next, Nifty Sensex hit fresh record highs. Next, post-COVID recovery in air travel stalls. Next, retail inflation may ease soon, says Finmin. Next, Amazon's Black Friday unions to join protest. Next, Bhavesh Javeri to take charge as HDFC Bank Executive Director. Next, social safety net product Bhima Vistra being developed for Bhima Sugam. Then we comes to page number 8 in that SC flags government steering hurry on Arun Goel. Next, pilot at Territor can't be CM Gehlot. Next, government gives a boost to businesses of Dalits. Provision for subsidies for eligible people. Next, state renews thrust given to startups. Next, center rises fertilizers quota to 1.7 meter. Then we comes to page number 9 in that Imran Khan Betar Asim Munir is Pakistan's new army chief. Khan's falling Gamit a history of bad blood. Next, Singapore's gig workers to get pension benefit. Next, Apple interested in buying Manu. Next, 75% of Kiwis losses power Ukraine seeks UN help. Next, Sunak wife debut on Asian Rich List on 2022 in UK. Next, Buffett donates $758 million in Berkshire shares to charity. Next, Foxconn apologizes, offer new hires $1,400 to quit. Next, Deutsche JP Morgan facilitated Epstein Sachs opposes accusers. Next, China daily COVID cases hit all-time high of 31,000. Next, ending decades long wait, Anwar becomes Malaysia's PM. Stocks gain most in 2 years. Ringgit up 1.9% versus dollar. Best performer in Asia. Gaming and bravery. Stock jump has Islamist block losses bid. Next on page number 10, it's an article section that selective decision. Next, pricing power. Next, they do blend. Next, New Delhi's counter-terrorism outreach. Next, McKinsey profile in amorality. Then we comes to page number 11. In that 1.3 MN fewer active investors since June. Market volatility and lackluster 1 year returns weight on activity even as indies hit a fresh high. Next, heavyweights to all the lifting in Nifty's record run. Next, fresh guidelines for green bonds issued. Next, strengthening debt market on SEBI agenda. New products tax proposal on the regulators unveil, says Narayan. Next, report from CDSL on malware glitch short. Next, Keystone Realtors shares climb over 3% on day 1. Next, Uniparts India's IPO on November 30. Next, margin scale up key triggered for Cummins India. Then we comes to page number 12. In that near term was to keep staffing firms muted, but valuation have turned attractive after sharp correction since January. Next, older house can offer price and location advantage. Then on page number 21, in that Indigo on a flight path to profit. Next, experts flag methodology concern for CCI. The commission replaces NAA for anti profiteering measures under GST from next month. Next, can coup be the answer to Twitter? Next, on page number 22, in that Jio Cinema eyes Disney Hotstar movement with FIFA World Cup. Next, England wary of upset against US. Next, Dutch not expected to emulate Germany. Next, HAL told to conduct Aero India 23 in February. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.